Hey Crossropers, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to have a little discussion about the Heavy LE set by Crossrope. This is a limited edition set coming with that 3/4 pound rope, the 1.5 pound rope, and that 3 pound rope. All three of them featured right here behind me. And so this is a heavy rope set, nice in between weights to complement the Get Fit bundle from Crossrope. But with this comes some nice form tips that we want to reiterate when it comes to swinging heavy ropes by Crossrope. This set is going to come with a set of power handles. So the power handles are what we preach with heavy ropes. We move away from those slim handles and we try to move away from that thumb on top grip like so. And now we wrap that thumb around like you're gripping a dumbbell. And so if you see a video over here that's going to show me jumping with that power grip and that heavy rope form that we would like jumpers to strive for when moving to heavy ropes. Now this set is generally for those who have already gotten used to swinging the Get Fit bundle that has the 1 pound, the 2 pound rope, and you have had some experience with heavy ropes. If not, the 3/4 pound rope can be a good introductory beginner heavy rope to use. However, it will take some form practice to get used to that 1.5 and 3 pound rope, and that's where this video comes in handy. So first form tip was getting that power grip. Secondly, I want to make sure that you all are using the whole upper body. As you see in this video here with the side angle of my jumping from the shoulder, I have a slight forward and back motion. My chest is even nice and tight and engaged. So from the chest to the shoulder, all the way down the forearm, you can see that the whole arm is helping keep the momentum of that rope spinning so that you are getting a full upper body experience and saving those wrists because they are heavy ropes. We want to protect those wrists. It is no longer all in the wrist when it comes to these heavy ropes. You want to really engage that upper body. Now the last thing I want to talk about here with these heavy ropes and this set specifically as you get closer to that 3 pound rope is rope sizing. So as you become a more efficient, better jumper, it is more common that jumpers will then migrate to smaller size ropes. This becomes very important with heavy ropes. With heavy ropes, the longer the rope is, the further out in front of the jumper the rope is going to hit the ground. This is just going to add pounds of force, a lot more strain again on the wrists and the forearms. So if that rope is hitting the ground 3-4 feet out in front of you, it is just going to be really hard to pull that rope underneath you. It's going to fatigue those wrists and those forearms, and you're really not going to be jumping for a long period of time with those heavy ropes. You really want to try to get a rope that is going to clip the ground just an inch or two out in front, and that is going to really take the strain off the wrists and the forearms. You can really focus on form and getting that full upper body workout. So you can see my rope here, that shorter size rope hitting the ground not too far out in front. Now if you look over to this other video, I have a lighter rope, but it is in a longer length, and you'll see how far that rope is hitting the ground out in front. With the lighter ropes, you may get some rebound where that rope comes up. With the heavy rope, if that was the same thing, you wouldn't get the rebound, but you're going to feel a lot more of the weight of that rope as it hits the ground, adding pounds of force. So what you want to do is, if you can, really work towards clipping the ground with the rope shorter in front. This may be for my rope length, having the hands down closer to the hips. If the rope is a little bit longer, you can have a little more bend in the elbow, keeping the hands still close to the body, but raising the arms up a little bit so that you can still get that rope hitting the ground just out in front of your feet without spreading those arms wide to shorten the rope. So we want to avoid widening those arms to shorten the rope, especially with the heavy ropes, because that is just going to cause a lot quicker fatigue so that your jumping session will end a little bit quicker due to fatigue. So hopefully these videos have helped, and if you are still thinking about getting this heavy LE set, it is a great set. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and until next time, we'll see you for more Crossrope videos. Keep on jumping.